Good morning, students. How are you? How is your going study now? Do your notes properly, learn properly, do hard work. Let's start our chapter number 6. Water absorption in plants and the essence of cells. Today we start our topic, a new topic. What are the main organs are responsible for water absorption in different plant categories. देखिए जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं जिसमें हम लोग माइन्यूट से लेकर के हम लार्जर हायर प्लांट्स तक की हम बात कर सकते हैं. माइन्यूट जो सबसे स्मॉलर सेलुलर प्लांट्स में आते हैं वो होते हैं एल्गी और फंजाई, और सबसे हाईएस्ट में आते हैं जिम्नोस्पर्म, एंजियोस्पर्म या टेरिडोफाइट्स भी हम ले सकते हैं. तो ये जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं, these all the plants are having the some organs which are absorb the water from the soil. So these organs are depend on their category. Now let's start. Number first we talk about the lower plants. In lower plants, algae and fungi. Lower plants हम किसको रख सकते हैं? Algae and fungi को हम रख सकते हैं. Algae and fungi, no special organ to absorb water. In these types of plants, there is a no special organ to absorption of water. All cells of these plants, यानी इस प्लांट की जितनी भी cells जो present हैं, which are responsible to absorb mineral salts and water. These all are the responsible for mineral salts, absorption of mineral salts and water. Second thing, bryophytes. Bryophytes which are somewhat higher for these algae and fungi plants. यानी कुछ और डेवलप होता है इन स्ट्रक्चर्स algae और fungi से. That is called the bryophytes. Rhizoids are present for water absorption. यानी in the structure of their body, some thread-like structures or some look-like structures are present here. These structure is called the rhizoids. And these rhizoids are present for water absorption. And these rhizoids are helpful to water absorption. Higher plants, well-developed root systems are present here. देखिए कितने जितने भी higher plants, we talk about the gymnosperm, pteridophyta, and angiosperm. In these all higher plants having a well-developed root system, which are absorb the water and minerals from the soil. The whole surface of roots does not take part for the absorption. यानी roots का भी जो complete surface है वो water absorption के लिए part नहीं लेता है. उसमें से root के भी जो होते हैं उसके अंदर भी different regions पाए जाते हैं. When we further we divide the root regions in two types. Number first is young region and number second is mature region. Number first is young region which are absorption of water here. यानी water absorption जो होता है वो young region से ही होता है. Mature region से impermeable for water due to the lignification and sugarization. It means कि when the mature region जो होता है वहाँ पर lignification और sugarization का deposition होने की वजह से walls होती हैं वो very thick हो जाती हैं. And these are impermeable. Impermeable means अपारगम्य, यानी water जो है water does not move from inside these region. So this is the part we call when the submission or deposition of lignification and sugarization. This is the impermeable part of water. So this part is this region is not take the part of absorption. This is called the mature region, but the young region is very essential for absorption of water. So today we discussed about the water absorption organs of different plants, different categories. Note down it very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.